How to compare DeepSeek versus Gemini. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on how Genic. With so many free AI assistants available, it can be hard to know which one suits you the best. In this video, I'm just going to do a simple comparison of what you can use DeepSeek and what you can use Gemini for. Let's quickly compare them and see which one might work the best for you. Now, the main thing that you need to know is that Gemini is great if you live in the Google world, and DeepSeek can be an amazing all-rounder that is completely free. So starting off with Gemini, the biggest power it has is its integration with other Google apps. If you're a heavy user of Gmail, Google Docs or YouTube, Gemini can work with that information. So this can be an example task that you can add inside of Gemini. I've added in find me the latest email from Amazon with the tracking number and summarize the delivery status for me. This way, instead of you going inside of your Gmail and finding the email, you can ask Gemini to do the work for you. It can pull out information from your Google account that can help you out instantly. Now let's head over to DeepSeek. The most important thing for this is DeepSeek is completely free with no users caps. DeepSeek can be mainly used for large data because it has a huge context window, meaning that it can remember information from a huge pile of information or from long conversations as well. So this can be an example task for Gemini, a huge project, and ask it to find the detailed feedback and the overall structure of your project. No matter how long the project, due to its massive context window, it won't lose track of what you're talking about. So in summary, you can use Gemini when you want to connect with Google services, and for DeepSeek, you can use it for heavy-duty tasks such as analyzing long documents and writing complex code or projects. So that was a short comparison video. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.